The Flatsons FCP-2 compressor. Without the compressor, it sounds like this. With the compressor, you get the punch. This is without the pedal. This is with the pedal. Sustain for days. It's like the sustain pulls the notes out of your hand. The pedal is very easy to use. 3 simple knobs. Sustain for more sustain, attack for how fast the compressor grabs your notes, and level for the volume coming out of the pedal. The build is fantastic. It's in a nice metal case. It has rubber on the back so it's slip-free. Pedal delivers sustain and attack. The Flatsons FCP-2 compressor.